From an article in 1995, the U.S. Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases reported in the International Journal of Experimental Pathology reported, "We also demonstrated aerosol transmission of Ebola virus at lower temperature and humidity than that normally present in sub-Saharan Africa. Ebola virus sensitivity to the high temperatures and humidity in the thatched mud and wattle huts shared by infected family members in southern Sudan and northern Zaire may have been a factor limiting aerosol transmission of Ebola virus in the African epidemics. Both elevated temperature and relative humidity have been shown to reduce the aerosol stability of viruses." Sanger 1967. Our experiments were conducted at 240 C and less than 40% RH. Conditions which are known to favor the aerosol stability of at least two other African hemorrhagic fever viruses, Rift Valley fever and Lassa. Stevenson et al. 1984, Anderson et al. 1991. If the same holds true for full of viruses, Ebola is a type of filovirus. Aerosol transmission is a greater threat in modern hospital or laboratory settings than it is in the natural climatic ranges of viruses. Peter Jarling was one of the authors of the report. Jarling was discoverer of the recent strain of Ebola, and is now chief scientist at the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. In 2012, scientists reported in the journal Viruses the finding, aerosol transmission is thought to be possible and may occur in conditions of lower temperature and humidity which may not have been factors in outbreaks in warmer climates. Thus, people in Chicago and New York will be at more risk than people in Miami or Dallas.
At Highland Hill Farm, we grow thousands of trees and shrubs in pots, and underneath the pots, when we move them, we find worms. Lots and lots of worms. So if you need worms and want to get a few to go fishing, you're more than welcome to come to Highland Hill Farm, move a few pots, and pick up free worms. There's plenty. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville near Doylestown. We're near Peace Valley Park and Lake Galena, and there's lots of places nearby to go fishing like Lake Nockanixon. So don't hesitate. You can get your free worms. Why buy when you can get them for free at Highland Hill Farm? Thank you.